Part 2. Hello friends. I'm showing you the part 2 of my shopping experience and the Burlington coat factory.
This is 2-pack.
As you can see, saw the perfumes I tried. I brought some back and I took some back.
$14.90. $14.99
Oh my
for two?
goodness, the highlight of my shopping there actually was trying on those beautiful clothes. I tell you, this pants is, I will have to go back for those pants. I couldn't take it because I had so many things I was buying that day, but it's not bad for work. The African black soap 10/10, I've used it already. Look at my boo-boo. So this dress is 10 out of 10. Unfortunately, I couldn't take it with me, but it's beautiful. This actually is the outfit of the day. And the highlight of the day is this jacket. Oh my goodness. Wie angegossen, as Germans will say. Fitted as if it was painted on me. Beautiful. Guys, don't sleep on their swimsuit. The Burlington Coat Factory, big size swimsuit, amazing. Now I'm showing you the things I bought there. Enjoy. Fun fact, do you know that the Lumi deodorant is for all over the body? I bought a pair of socks. Of course, I took my boo-boo back. Yes, and my jacket. Oh, thanks for watching.